Hi and welcome back to another video. My name is Regina. If you're new here, karibu sana. So I have a part, like a section in my kitchen that aina shelf. One, because iko karibu na mlango, and two, because iko karibu na switch. But I'm thinking I do some decorative shelf. They balance because one side iko na shelf, the other aina. So I feel like aina flow. So that's what this is the section that I'm going to work on. As you can see, iko very close na mlango na karibu na switch. The board I'm going to use is 18" by 7. So this is a leftover that I had from a project, but if you don't have one, you can always go to your local fundi. They can decide to sell it for you or give it to you for free. I had a few design in mind, so the one that I'm going to do, so I've decided to go with the last option, the option 4, which it seems more wavy, but I will try like 2 since the concept is still the same. On a piece of paper, I'm going to sketch all the curvy lines that I can think of. Then I will settle with one.
We locked down in different cities, and our virtual connection falls apart. Guess it's been too many years since California. Now the memories of us is all I have. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for me.
I'm taping the sketch onto the board so that I can see if I can cut using jigsaw when it is still attached. If that fails, I'm going just to cut the sketch using a scissors. Then I draw on the board using a marker pen because I can't use a pencil on this type of board.
We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn. Gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look outside.
Clearly that was harder than I thought. So I'm just going to remove the paper and do what I had initially thought of doing instead of just complicating the whole process.
Take me back to the life that we once knew, when the walls weren't closing in like they are now. Cause it's been too many years since California. I wish I could get there, I don't know how. See, one day I'm gonna reach ya, take a plane for many miles. We pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn. Gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in the same sky. When I'm on the other side.
To attach the two pieces together, I'm using 1.5-inch MDF screws, but first I'm going to make pilot holes, then attach the two pieces together.
No.
this is MDF, you can't like paint over without painting as a peel. So I'm going to sand it kidogo, then we paint. But I think I like it. The easiest way to make a sandpaper block is you stick your sandpaper on a piece of wood, either using staple pins or the tiniest nails you can get. So before painting, I'm going to wipe the surface just to remove all the dust from the sanding, then go in with the black paint. I'm using the Basco, that is the cheapest paint in the market. So I'm using Basco black in color. So I'm going to mix the paint using standard thinner. If you're going to use this is the oil based paint, so that's why I'm mixing with standard thinner. And the good thing with mixing your paint with standard thinner is it dries very fast as compared to just using either spirit or kerosene. I'm going to do 2 paint coat, then let it dry like overnight, then mount it on the wall using 2-inch screws. I don't know about you, but making a shelf has never been that easy. If you like such content, remember to hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I upload a new video, which is every Sunday at 4 p.m. Thank you so much for watching.